Now I'm going to show you the staking section of Trust Wallet. So what you're going to do is click on the Earn tab, and then you're going to have this tab here that says Native Staking, and these are all of the current rates that you can earn by staking various cryptocurrencies. Staking allows you to put your cryptocurrencies on the blockchain to support the overall network, but it does lock your cryptocurrencies up for a set period of time, so you aren't able to sell them or do anything with them while they are staked. The benefit is, though, that you do earn interest by staking them. So if we click on BNB here for the staking, it's going to bring up the page for that. Now, one downside to staking with BNB is the minimum amount here is one entire coin. That's going to cost you about $500 or $600 depending on the market price right now. So we didn't even have enough in our account remotely earlier on. Some of these aren't going to require as much, but some of these will have sort of a hefty barrier to entry. But in this case, if you did stake your one or more BNB, you would earn that 4% APR on this. And what you would do here is click on the stake button. Now, one benefit here is the lock time for that is only 7 days. So you're not locking this up for 30 days or 6 months, for example. It's a very short period of time, but you do need to have a sizable amount of the coin. So what you would do is click on the stake button at the bottom, and then you would enter the amount that you want to stake. So you would need to do 1, for example. We have 0 available, and at that point you would then choose your validator. And these are basically groups that are collectively sharing resources. So you can actually go and do research on these online if you wanted to learn more about them. But for the most part, most people are going to choose whatever looks to be the most reputable one, or whichever one is paying the highest APY. Now, there are additional risks with staking that you should understand before you fully do this yourself. So make sure you do more research on staking before you go ahead and stake your cryptocurrencies, just so you understand the different risks involved.